Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we will discuss delete a node by using a value in a singly circular linked list. So let's begin. See here, this is your function delete by value. Okay, so this is your ready linked list. So here we assume one linked list, for example 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is your start. So here we assume that if you delete the value 4, okay, so your value is that the 4. So by using this for loop we find this node. So ptr equal to start, prev equal to start. So this is your ptr and the prev. Then condition is that next is not equal to start and data is not equal to value. So here ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and the data is that the 4 is not equal to 4, false. So here we break this loop going to next. Next is that the one more if. Okay, so see here in if data and the value, here see here ptr of data is that the 4 and the value is that the 4. So match this condition going to this if. Inside if there is one more if, ptr is equal to start, true. See here ptr and the start both pointing to the same node. So going to this if condition, by using this for loop we find the last node. So p equal to start, then p of next is not equal to start. See here p of next is not equal to start, true. So going to next. So this is your next. Again p of next is not equal to start, true, going to next. P of next is not equal to start, true, going to next. P of next is not equal to start, false. Okay, because p of next is pointing to the start. So here we break this loop going to next line, start equal to start of next. So this is your start. Then p of next, this is p of next is pointing to the new start. Then ptr of next equal to null. So this is your ptr of next is assigned to the null and the free ptr. So like this way we remove a node at the first position. Okay, if your value is that the 6, so first we erase this data and draw the one fresh linked list. So here if we assume that your value is that the 6, now delete the value 6. Okay, so here by using this for loop we find the value 6 node. So again ptr equal to start and the prev equal to start. Okay, then condition is that ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and the ptr of data is that the 4. So 4 is not equal to 6, true. So both the conditions here true. So going to next incremental part, prev equal to ptr. So already prev is pointing to ptr and ptr equal to ptr of next. This is your ptr. Again ptr of next is not equal to null and 5 is not equal to 6, true. Okay, so prev equal to ptr and the ptr equal to ptr of next. Again ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and ptr of data is not equal to value, false. So here we break this loop going to if. Here data and the value match, and check here inside if ptr is equal to start, no. So going to else. So see here this is your else. So in else first line prev of next equal to ptr of next. So this is your prev of next which is pointing to the ptr of next, and the ptr of next equal to null. So this is your ptr of next assigned to the null and the free ptr. Okay, so like this way we delete a node in between in circular linked list. Okay, again if you enter some invalid number, for example 12, okay, so check here value of 12 is not present, so data and the value here not matching. So going to again else part, value not found. Okay, and here we return this linked list. So like this way we delete a node by using the value. So we test this code. So going to program mode. So in this program here we add the one more case. So this is your case number 9. Okay, delete by value, and here we add the one more function, node star delete by value. So here we declare some variables, ptr, prev, one more p, then int value, so printf enter value. So here we accept the one value from keyboard and val. Then by using for loop we find this value, so ptr equal to start, prev equal to start, then ptr of next is not equal to start, and then ptr of data is not equal to value. So prev equal to ptr and the ptr equal to ptr of next. So like this way we find this value in a current linked list. So here we check your data and the value. If it is matched, then we delete a node. Otherwise here else print value not found, return start. Inside if there is one more if, here check here ptr is equal to start, true. Okay, means that you delete a first node. So here we find the last node by using the p variable. So p equal to start, then p of next is not equal to start, and the p equal to p of next. So like this way we find the last node. Then start equal to start of next, then p of next equal to start, then ptr of next equal to null, and here free ptr. Again in else, prev of next is equal to ptr of next, then ptr of next is equal to null, then free ptr. So like this way we delete a node. So we test this code. See here, compile and run. So first we enter choice 1, create how many nodes? 4. See here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now choice is 2. See here, this is your linked list. Then I entered the choice 9. So enter the value. First we enter the value 5. See here 5 is deleted. Again we enter the choice number 9. We delete a node, for example 7. Okay, value is that 7. See here 6 at 6. So like this way we remove a node in a linked list. So on next program we will see that how to search a node in a singly circular linked list. Till if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.